मॅडम योगार तुमकां रिसंटली जीएमसीन एक शॉकिंग इन्सिडंट जालो तशेंच डॉक्टर सुद्दां प्रोटेस्ट करपाक पावले तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आहा हेजेर?
Yeah, you know what Minister Vishwashi has done is okay, but he should not have done to full public view. He should have called him separately and spoken to him and make him understand, because not all doctors are same. Now, see, from my experience with my brother who just passed away, I had a bad experience. My brother had a mild attack and he was admitted in the JMC. And after on the discharge, he was given 1 dose of injection and was told to me that he had to be taken another 4 doses of injection. Now that injection was not available in Fangim. So I asked my colleague where it is available. So she said that it is available in JMC. So, and to take to JMC and to go to the casualty because it was a Sunday. So the thing is that I took my brother, though he could not walk. I took my brother to casualty, put him on the wheelchair, and kept him inside the casualty on the bed. And I rushed to bring the medicines because they were not having in the casualty. So I rushed and bought the medicines. I bought around 2, 3 because for the remaining doses. And I showed the prescription, the discharge card of the hospital, of the GMC himself. I showed to the sister. I told sister, just show to the CMO. And the CMO was Dr. Vishwanath Badkaikar that time. So when she went and showed the discharge card and all, he was busy there sitting and enjoying himself talking to the juniors. And to impress the juniors, he tells the sister, tell her to take it to the ward. Take it to the ward. Then sister came and told me, sister told me that same said to take to the ward. So I went to the same. I asked him, do you know who I am? He said, yes, I know who are you. So I'm a colleague of yours, no? This is my brother. He's a senior citizen. He is unable to walk, I said. And now you are telling me to take him to the ward, which is a big distance for him. And the injection room is closed on Sundays. So now I said, what is there for you to keep? I brought the injection, I said. He said, no, you take to the ward. I said, then I asked him, tu mele bapai le re? Oh, casualty, tu mele bapai le re? Tu oloi pa, tu kada oloi tari, tu ye kaata wire mula hai. And then after he called the police. And the police came and the police said, madam, we know it is he. And तो होच काम करता कॉल येता त्या नामका पुलिस आम्ही जाणा की तोच मूड मॅडम कितें जालें म्हणे इंजेक्शन दिवपाचें तेका इंजेक्शन दिवपाचें सिस्टर फ्री आहा केसीस बी कांय ना कितें जाता ahलें दिवपाक वॉर्डान कशें व्हरून जाता म्हजें बाप सो देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स आय टोल्ड द पुलीस आय सेड हेजे काटा म्हणल्यार आणकुड्यो तो सोंपना म्हाका म्हणलें when I said this he said sister give him the injection म्हणलें भिलो की हांव आणकुड्यो काडटलो म्हूण तेजो with the higher up his sister gave the injection so the matter ended no so as I was coming out of the casualty the security guard who was at the door, he said, madam, to tension gain naka to piso dotor. So he is branded as a piso dotor. After some days, my brother did not want to go to the GMC back. So I took to the private hospital and made him given the injection dose, remaining dose. And I made a written complaint to Mr. Vishwashi Trane. And I submitted at his office at Miramar. Why he has not taken any action? Why he has taken action on this particular doctor? So the yardstick should be for everyone. And I being a doctor, I know a lot of things going on in the GMC. Why do these senior doctors who are earning a lump sum amount going to do consultations in the private hospitals? Very soon I'm going to expose this. How can the government doctors depriving of the patients from the GMC, leaving in the hands of the juniors who are just coming up? How can he just rush to the private hospitals because there he's earning more? Why this is being done? Why this is being allowed? Mr. Rani, you are doing a very good job. I agree with you, but you should put this thing straight. But please don't take the social media. Do it quietly. Make strictness in the GMC because there are private laboratories who are visiting the GMC at at the request of some sisters, nurses. And I heard that nurses get free investigations if they give some patients to do the investigations. So why are those private laboratory agents coming, visiting the GMC to draw blood when we have a lab, well-equipped lab in the GMC? This should be stopped. There are a lot of things going on in the GMC. And Mr. Rani, I request you that the influx of the people coming across the border, please stop. Because this is becoming a load bearing for the doctors and for the other staffs. And where we Goans are being deprived of the facility in the GMC, being Goans. And that's why, because the name of the GMC is gone bad, people have no opportunity, no alternative, but then rush to the private hospitals where they are blood suckers. They are blood suckers. Very soon I'm coming with a video about a healthway hospital in Old Goa. How they murdered my brother for the greed of money. So I agree. I fully agree with Mr. Vishwajit Rane, because these doctors, they should have a heart. What if it comes in his own family member? Maybe it's their father or their mother. And if any doctor tells them, take to the ward, will you like? Please, I request these doctors to please have a heart while dealing with the patients and the relatives. Because life is precious. Because till today I am missing my dear brother. Thank you.
मॅडम तुमचे नाव कितें?
I am Dr. Odette Lobo.
ओके.